Hello friends, I'm Mr. Carpet. This carpet you see is one of the most original design of Iranian carpets. Isn't it beautiful? Wow. Carpet washing is one of the services that is served for the people who live in the apartment, especially for the people who do not have yard, roof, or even time to wash their carpets. As you see, you can keep the strings in the edge of your carpet clean till the next washing time by sticking the cohesive tape on that. Okay, let's start washing. For the first step, we pour some colored solution in the wider places. It helps the dirtiness remove very easily. Next, we pour water all over the carpets and wet them well. In my opinion, washing carpet is a very enjoyable job, especially in the summer. Here we use a very good smell washing powder. So we spread the washing powder all over the carpets. Then we start brushing the carpet. Working with this brushing machine is a little difficult. It's like controlling your wild dog.
Xem chưa? Tôi bóng hết con này kìa, bị bám được rồi, coi được chưa?
Brushing process makes the strings of carpet tired and disordered. To bring them to the consciousness, we pour some water. This is the ordering machine. With this machine, we order the strings of carpet again. We get ready to wash the carpet for the last time. We pour a large amount of water to take out all the bubbles and the dampness. Finally, we use an oar or a paddle to take out the water and all the bubbles and dirtiness and roll the carpets. At last, the wet carpets take into the spinner to take out the extra water.